Good day, everyone. Today, I'll present the topic performance management and evaluation. This topic is important because it helps organizations check how well their systems are working and what improvements they need to make. Introduction. Performance measurement and evaluation is an important process in every organization. It helps check how well the work system is performing, whether the goals are being met, and what improvements are needed. By using KPIs, collecting data, analyzing results, and evaluating outcomes, organization can make better decisions and improve their operation. Learning objects. So first is that KPI development. The topic aims to help us develop key performance indicators or KPI. KPI are measurement that show if our work system or facility layout improves are effective. For example, in a government office, a KPI can average processing time. If we improve the layout or add more counters, the KPI will show if the process become faster. The second one is the data collection and analysis. So from this, we learn how to collect and analyze data. This is important because data help us see what is really happening. For example, we can collect the data using surveys, observation, interviews, or service report. But by analyzing the data, we can find problems like delays or low customer satisfaction. One is the evaluation of improvements. The third objective is to evaluate the success of improvement initiatives. This means checking if the changes we made actually work and what recommendation we can make for the future. For example, if adding more staff reduce waiting time, then the improvement is successful. But if not, we need a new approach. Content discussions. So first we have key performance indicators or KPI. So the KPI are the specific measurement that match the goals of the organization. They help track performance and identify what needs improvements. For example, examples of KPI include customers waiting time, numbers of clients served per day, error rate in document, and the last one is the employee productivity. So KPI act like scorecards that tell us if the system is working well. Second is the data collection. Data collection is gathering information based on the KPI. This can be done through surveys, observation, interviews, and daily reports. So for example, if the KPI is work waiting time, we can observe and record how many minutes each customer waits. The third is the data analysis. After collecting the data, we analyze it to see patterns and problems. Data analysis helps us understand when problems happen, why delays occur, what areas need support. So for example, if we see that service is low every Monday, we can assign more staff on that day. So the fourth is the evaluation. This is the final step. This is where we compare the result before and after the improvement. If the KPI improves like faster processing time or fewer complaints, then the improvement is successful. If not, we can make new recommendation. To include performance measurement and evaluation helps organization be more efficient. Through KPI, data analysis, and evaluation, we can make better decisions and improve services. Thank you.